Welcome back guys, and in today's video we're gonna do a glitch effect just like this one in HitFilm Express 14. So we're here in HitFilm Express 14, and the first thing we'll do is we're gonna need our raw footage and our glitch overlays, which you could download from different stock footages and also from YouTube, because there are some that offers free glitch template or overlay for videos, and we're gonna do this now. So we're gonna make a composite shot out of our raw footage, and as you can see, it's just a Santa dancing, and there you go. So it's just a simple dancing Santa. So the next thing we'll do is we're gonna put our overlay just below. Okay, we're just gonna drag that up first so that you could see. So this is the glitch effect, and it's just a bunch of glitch effects. So let's scale this up. You don't have to worry for any pixelation because it's a glitch effect. So the next thing we'll do is go to effects and go to set matte, and then put it on your raw footage, and just source the layer, the glitch layer, and change the matte source from alpha to hue, depending if you have a color. If you don't have a color, let's just discuss that later. So let's say you want the glitch effect to start right here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a keyframe for blend mode, change that to add, and then move a frame after that and change that to replace, and then let's play that. Wait. Okay, so when we play that video, okay, so what you could also do is you could hide this, and there you go. You would have a transparent background, and it would be very glitchy. And for an additional tutorial, you could also use stutter effect, and you could freeze frame every let's say 5 seconds. Wait, let's just make a keyframe for that. Let's make that 0, then move a frame and make that 5 seconds. So the first second is, let's change that to 1 because we can't have 0, and then there you go. So as you can see, it will only move every 5 frames, making this glitch effect as buggy or as breaking as possible. So wait, what's happening? Okay, so it's not yet rendering. So as you can see here, the video file, wait, okay, so it works. So as you can see here, our glitch effect is much shorter. So you could just do the same thing here with the blend mode. So you could have that, for example, blend mode, we could have replace, just make a keyframe. Wait, we could just get this keyframe from here, and have that keyframe, and then move a frame, change this to 1, and change this to add, and then it would play normally. Or what you could also do is you could duplicate the glitch effect, and you could just change this to here, and then you would have a duplicate of that. And in order for us to do that, we could just make a composite shot for that. Okay, and in here, let's just change the source layer to composite shot, and there you go. So that's it. And oh yeah, before we're gonna end, I was about to end, we could do another one. So in here, let's just remove this layer first. So I have here different glitch effects. What we could do here is we're just gonna remove this first. So we have here our glitch, another glitch effect. Let's put that on top. So with this, you could also use hue in the set matte. If you use hue and source that layer, and wait, we need to drag this down. Okay, and let's just, oh wait, I can't play that. I'm just gonna use this button. Oh wait, did I set it to hue? Oh yeah, place. So let's just remove that. Let's just remove this first, and this, I'll put this to replace first, and when we play the video, it will be laid like this because it has color. So let's say let's remove none, let's make that none and hue off. Okay, so let's remove that. If we have this kind of glitch effect which has no color or least amount of color, what you're gonna do is we're gonna source that layer and we're gonna choose lightness, and in here you could see that it colors and it doesn't. So if you have hue, it would be not that attractive and very messy. Unlike if you have lightness, wait, could I use luminance? Luminance works also. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like this one. Hope this tutorial would help you in your future projects. You could also use this glitch effect to make multiple lower thirds, which I'm thinking on making a video. And comment down below on what you think or any suggestion for future videos, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.